Saving money. Saving money is important for people of all ages. It helps us prepare for the future and feel more secure. Many people try to save a little money every month. Even small amounts can help. A common place to save money is a bank account. Banks keep your money safe, and some accounts even give you interest. This means your money slowly grows over time. It's a simple way to build savings. People save money for different reasons. Some save for emergencies, like when a car breaks down or someone gets sick. Others save for big goals, such as buying a house or going on a special trip. Goals give people motivation. Saving money also helps reduce stress. When you know you have some money saved, you feel more relaxed about the future. It gives you a sense of control over your life. It's never too late to start saving. You can begin with a small amount each week. Over time, your savings will grow, and you will feel proud of your progress.
Why do people save even small amounts of money? Small amounts can still help in the future. Banks ask for it. Small amounts are easy to lose. What is one benefit of having a bank account? You can get free gifts. The bank gives you interest. You don't have to work. People save money for emergencies like a car breaking down, buying a new phone, planning a holiday. What feeling does saving money give people? More stress and safety? More control and relaxation? Confusion and peace? What is a good suggestion for people who want to start saving money? You must save a lot of money at once. It's too late for adults to save. You can start with a small amount.
I hope you liked the video. Want to study more? Grab the text and PDF here, and you can also visit my website for more English activities. See you!